Okay, Tim, so you convinced me. It is a Sunday clutch. I see that little cut.
No, I was, like 2 seconds ago, that was not cut.
Okay, well.
And you had a razor blade in your hand.
Oh, yeah. I walked in and he said they were waiting for me.
The only one that was cut was this one.
Oh, okay. Well, I haven't done nothing yet, but I wanted to. But I figured it was Tim's Sunday, because Sundays are Tim's days to cut eggs these days.
Sundays are good to us.
I'm a vacationer on Sunday. Tim here covers the base for us, so, and this is his church service right here, watching babies hatch and special ones on Sunday. So let's cut this clutch and see how it comes out.
All right, so just so you know, this is a motley het albino to a white tiger. So we should see a combination of normal motleys, tiger motleys, albino motleys, and albino tiger motleys. We know that the male is a white het, the female is a white, so these should also all be white phase albinos.
Unless, of course, Tim forgot that he introduced a young motley.
Yeah, first one's a lab.
I told you, because what happens is he was using the old.
This won't even be a motley. This will be. What will this be then?
Because see, now he's confessing that he's used another male, because the reason why is we had a bunch of young males when this clutch was coming.
Oh, hang on. This is the clutch that you and Jerry pulled next door.
Oh.
Remember the Easter clutch? The
Easter clutch. Oh, I like that. So we don't really know who the dad is in real life, but we generally bred it to. Ooh, what is that?
What do you bet that's a female? That's a motley.
That's a motley.
So
cool. So this is a cool clutch. No matter what, we only had good males, but we had a couple real young ones that we were working with.
Yeah. Wow.
What's that?
Oh, did I run the golden child through? No. What is that?
That's a motley tiger.
It's a motley tiger, yeah.
Yep, cool. Albino motley tiger.
Nice one.
At least. It's pretty cool looking.
I think I might have run the golden through.
Oh, what did you say?
Nothing.
Oh, I might have ran the golden through it here. The reason why is we had some young males and we didn't care who the daddy was, because it wasn't a genetic thing that was going to matter in the long run. So the only difference is anything that comes out normal, we'll call a possible het, because the mother was a het, correct?
Correct. No, the mother was a white tiger.
Oh, well then we don't have to worry. Everything's 100% het, no matter what it is. Het. So, what's that? Albino tiger?
Might be a motley. No, you know what? Let's leave it.
Okay.
Yolk sacs right there.
Looking good. We're doing good on the color odds. Because I see regular tiger, white tiger.
Yep.
So no matter who the dad is, we can't have a purple in this clutch. Ooh, nice motley tiger.
Wow.
Beautiful motley tiger. Man.
Nice motley.
Nice motley. Wow, we're doing great. I like Sundays. I like Sundays even if they don't hatch good eggs.
Another
Woo!
motley tiger.
Those
are unique.
Those are really different looking. They kind of remind you of golden child.
Yeah.
Ones, but we'll see when they're out.
Well, so far, the albino motley tigers I've seen have been very striped.
But of course, we use that unique male.
True.
So, ooh, there's another motley. Man, we like that. Look at that, guys. Motley. Not bad.
That probably is a motley.
And I think that's a motley.
Another motley.
Really?
I think so.
Nope.
A normal.
That's a really rare snake. Now, if you are new and you don't know what we're doing is preventing the possibility of a drowning baby. Now, obviously anything can drown still, but it's unlikely. That's a motley tiger. Wow, that's really good. So motley tiger.
That might just be a motley.
Oh, it is just a motley.
It's a white motley.
Cool, white motley. But at any extent, the concept here is just simple. We've hatched tens of thousands of eggs, probably getting closer to hundreds of thousands of eggs. And then over the time, we found out that some of them drown. That's a motley tiger. Some of them drown. Now, I know you look and you go, wow, they're bleeding. You must be hurting them. Well, if you watch enough of our videos, even the ones, well, see that one right there? Look.
Motley tiger.
See that right there? That's blood around the edge of that one, and that snake cut his own egg. So the blood is normal, just like childbirth. You could lessen the blood, but really all that happens is the blood subsides and goes into the fluids and dirties the fluid and eventually makes it real thin. So at any extent, what we're doing is cutting them open to prevent them from drowning, because sometimes the eggshell could be, you know, we're artificially incubating them. We might not have the perfect humidity. The egg might be, you know, because a female was fed so well, it could be, you know, a lot of things. That's a weird snake.
Super tiger.
Because it looks like a super tiger, which is not possible because we didn't use any tiger anything, but it could be a girl.
It's possible if it's a girl.
Right, because we've learned that also that we've had clutches that are all girls. But at any extent, ooh, that's nice, motley tiger.
Probably a tiger, yeah.
Yeah, and we just learned that this eliminates the drowning. We don't cut the eggs until they've already started to cut. Some of the ball python guys will cut them 5-10 days early. We don't particularly prefer that. We prefer just to wait so we get the right timing and everything. And so, like I said, this clutch already started hatching. They'll probably all be out within about 72 hours. They'll start coming out probably as early as tomorrow morning. Oh, that's a nice, that looks like a golden tiger. Wow.
That's a nice motley
That is
tiger.
an incredible motley. That's a beautiful motley tiger. And so at any extent, the concept has kind of been worked a long time for us, and it may look bad, but it isn't bad, and the success rate is just, wow. We're getting really, really, really high odds. Really high odds of motleys in this clutch. We're very happy. And so the idea is we go ahead and cut the top off. You could cut a smaller one. Now, also what you're doing there is we put our fingers in
No, they're not small.
to actually pop the membrane. And man, we are really hitting the motleys. This is one of our only white motley clutches this year. These are actually, very few white motleys have been around. Another motley.
Another motley.
100% het. So the father was a motley het white, and the mother was a white tiger. So that's why we're getting tiger motleys. Another motley. Unbelievable. This is just a fabulous clutch. And so anyway, that's just what we've found out over the years, is that, you know, not very long ago we had a clutch of carpets, and I was out of town and I didn't really tell anybody, and came back. Wow, another motley
Tiger.
Unbelievable how good this clutch is turning out. I guess it's not unbelievable. It is Sunday.
Exactly.
Sunday, Super Sunday. But at any extent, it's just the way it works out. And now when he puts his finger in there, he actually is for a reason. We actually like to pop the membrane like we talked about. That's a regular tiger.
Regular tiger, yeah.
And that way they get their breath of air. Now, most people don't know, but when they start breathing is when they actually start absorbing their yolk. So sometimes even when they cut the membrane first, then the egg starts leaking air into it and it subsides, it makes an air pocket, and sometimes they'll just cut and crawl out because they're literally sitting inside that little air pocket and breathing.
Motley tiger.
Oh, nice motley tiger. That's the first motley tiger we got that isn't albino. We really hit the albino gene.
I thought we got one earlier.
Come on, cut some eggs. I don't think we did.
You're right.
So that's kind of cool, it is, because we like albino motley tigers, and they make beautiful snakes.
It's a motley.
The sunfires are horrendous, and we're very happy with albino motley sunfires. For those of you who haven't seen them, you have to check out our sites. Don't forget to subscribe to us. It's going to get interesting here soon, because we got a lot of stuff already shot that we just got to get it out and on. And so you guys might want to subscribe to us, to make sure you're subscribed, you pick up some of the stuff we're going to pass out here soon. And ooh, that's nice. It's a regular tiger.
Is it? Yep, it's a regular tiger.
But good looking clutch, Tim. Good job. You did very well.
Sunday.
Okay, guys, take care, everybody.
Take care.
One last shot. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Good clutch.